Fluorine reacts with uranium to produce uranium hexafluoride UF6 as represented by this equation. If number of fluorine molecules required to produce 7.04 milligram of uranium hexafluoride UF6 from an excess of uranium is Y into 10 raised to the power 19, then value of Y is. Question में हमें एक reaction दे रखी है and we are given that 7.04 milligram of UF6 form करने के लिए Y into 10 raised to the power 19 molecules लगते हैं fluorine के. Then we have to find the value of Y. First of all, हम number of moles find out कर लेते हैं of UF6. It is equal to given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is 7.04 milligram. इसको ग्राम में convert करेंगे. Into molar mass of UF6 is given as 352. इसको solve करने पे ये value आती है 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. So number of moles of UF6 is 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Now, अगर हम number of molecules find करें, number of molecules of UF6, then it will be equal to number of moles of UF6 into Avogadro number. This will be equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 into 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. This will be equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to the power 19 molecules. So UF6 के molecules कितने हैं? 1.2 into 10 raised to the power 19. Now the given reaction is U plus 3F2. It gives UF6. We can see that 1 mole of UF6 requires 3 moles of F2. So we can write that number of fluorine molecules required, ये कितने हो जाएंगे? 3 into number of molecules of UF6. It will be equal to 3 into UF6 के कितने molecules हैं? 1.2 into 10 raised to the power 19. This will be equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to the power 19. और क्वेश्चन में इसकी वैल्यू क्या दे रखी है? Y into 10 raised to the power 19. तो यहाँ से Y की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 3.6. And we had to find the value of Y only. So this will be your answer.